Oh, hi there! Welcome to Learning with Anna. I'm your host, Anna Johnson, and today we're going to be learning about imaginary numbers. Now, a lot of people think, well, what's an imaginary number? Is it something that's just in my head? Well, you may or may not be right. An imaginary number, I, is equal to the square root of -1. Why do I need to know this? Well, I has to do a lot with electrical engineering, electrical currents, and kind of electricity, in general. A lot of people, when they hear the word I, get intimidated. Well, this shouldn't be the case for us because I is as easy as drawing a lopsided circle. So say we have our value I here on our circle. And the next value, I squared here, and I cubed, and I to the 4th. What do all these crazy letters even mean? Well, I squared is equal to the square root of -1 times the square root of -1. Therefore, a square root of a number times itself is going to actually cancel our square root out. Thus, I squared is equal to -1. Now, I cubed, well, that's equal to I squared times I. I squared is equal to 1, and I is equal to I, and so I cubed is equal to -I. Similarly, I to the 4th is going to equal +1. And look at this, we have a nifty circle going from I to -1 to -I to +1. How can I even use this? Well, that's a great question. What happens if I wanted to know what I to the 10th was? Well, I could try to figure it out in my head by multiplying I times 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 I, or I could use my nifty sort of circle. So if we start with I and we go to I squared, I cubed, I to the 4th, we can pretend that when we start here, it's I to the 5th, to the 6th, to the 7th, to the 8th, to the 9th, to the 10th. And so when I go around my circle in increments of fourths 10 times, I'm going to get -1. So I to the 10th is equal to -1. While I would love to go on about I the rest of my life, and I certainly will, unfortunately, we have run out of time today. Thank you for listening to Learning with Anna, and I hope to see you guys back again soon. Like ridiculously soon. Okay, guys, that's enough.